Hello everyone, welcome to Vidyashram Public School YouTube channel.
Today I am going to explain you about second chapter of class 5th, the four operations. First, let us we revise the term of addition. The number which we are added are called addend, and the answer which we getting after the addition is called sum. Here 235 and 341 are called addend and 576 is the sum. There are three properties of addition. First is order property of addition, second is grouping property of addition, and third one is zero property of addition. We can change the order of number in addition. Let's we take two numbers 182 and 316. If we add 182 and 316, the answer is 498, and if we change the order, we also get 498. It means that addition is commutative. Look at the numbers 40, 50 and 20. If we add 40 and 50 first, we get 90. Then we add 90 and 20, we will get 110. Or we can first add 50 and 20, we get 70. And then we add 40 into 70, we will get 110. It means in both condition answer is same. Means when we are going to add three numbers, we can add any two numbers first. It means addition is also associative. Let's we take two numbers 315 and 0. When we add 315 into the 0, the answer is 315, and when we add 0 into 315, the answer is same 315. It means when we add 0 to any number, the answer is number itself. It is the zero property of addition. Now, what are the four operations? Addition, subtraction, multiply, and division are called four operations of maths. This is the first page of your chapter second, and there are four fill-ups in the starting. First fill-ups is 3272 plus 4590 is equal to 7862. Here 7862 is called the sum. As we all know that after addition we get the answer is called sum. Second fill-ups is 7862 minus 3272 is equals to 4590. Here 4590 is called difference. Once we subtract any two numbers, the result is called their difference. Third fill-ups is 125 multiplied by 50. The answer is 6250. Here 6250 is called product. As we multiply any two number, the result is called product. And the number which we multiply are called their factors. Phillips 4 is 6250 divided by 125. Answer is 50. Here 6250 is the dividend, 125 is the divisor, and 50 is a quotient. The answer is called quotient. Question number B of book exercise. Here we match the column. First problem is there are 2564 boys and 1583 girls in a school. Find the total number. So it is matched with B, add, and the answer is 4147. Second is 600 pencils are placed equally in 25 boxes. Find the number of pencils in each box. In this sum we have to divide. So we match second column with D, divide, and the answer is second 24. Third one is one bike cost rupees 3599. Find the cost of 16 such bikes. If we given a cost of one thing and we have to find more than one, we multiply the number. So we match this question with A, and the answer is fourth 57,584. Okay, and the last one is the population of a town is 4,56,600. Out of this, 1,93,678 are females. Find the number of males. For finding the number of males, we have to subtract the total population from the number of female. So we match this column with C subtraction, and the answer is 2,62,922. Let's we start exercise 2.1. Question number A is write in column and find the sum. Means we have to write the numbers in a column and then find the answer. Question number 1, 2, 3 you will do in your CW copy, and 4, 5, 6 you will do in your homework copy.
Now, question number 1 is 65,758 is add in 79,899. So the answer is 1,45,657, and same method for question number 3.
Question number B is find the sum of largest and smallest 5-digit number.
Largest 5-digit number is 99999, and the smallest 5-digit number is 10000. So we add these number and the answer is 10,99,999. Question number C is write in column and find the difference. In this question, 1, 2, 3 part do in your CW copy and 4, 5, 6 do in your homework copy. First part of question C, number is 87654 minus 8765. We arrange according their place value, then 14 and it will be become 4. So 14 minus 5 is 9 and it will become 14 and this is 5. Now 14 minus 6 8, now 15 and this is become 6. 15 minus 7 8, now it will become 16 and 8. So answer is 8 and 8 minus 1 is 7. So the final answer is 78,889. Question number D do in your book, and question number E 1 and second part you will be do in your CW copy, and 3 4 you will be do in your homework copy.
Exercise 2.2. First question is a school library has 66,500 books. 8,947 books were issued to the students and 4,033 books issued to the teacher. How many books are still in the library? So book issued to the students are 8,947 and books issued to the teachers is 4,033. So first we add the issued books. So total issued books are 12,980, and then we find the remains books from subtract to the total numbers of books. So we subtract 12,980 from 66,500, and the final answer is 53,520.
Question number 2 is Mrs. Patney bought a laptop for rupees 42,555 and refrigerator that was priced rupees 7,920 less than the laptop. How much did she pay for both? First we write the cost of laptop, that is 42,555. Then we find the cost of refrigerator, that is less than 7,920 from the laptop. So the cost of refrigerator is 34,625. Then we find the final cost, so we add the both cost. So final answer is 77,190. Do question number 3 and 4 in your homework copy. Now there is a worksheet in your book on page number 28. Do it yourself in your book only.
Now, exercise 2.3, question number A, write in column and find the product. Means first we have to write in the column and then multiply the numbers. First part is 4,258 multiply by 36. So we arrange these number in the column and then we multiply. 6 8s are 48. Now 30 and 4, 34. 12 and 3, 15. 6 4s are 24 and 1, 25. Plus, now we multiply with 3. 3 8s are 24. The next carry is 2, then 15 and 2, 17, 1, and then 6 and 1, 7, 12. Now we add this number 8, 8, 12, 13, 5, and 1. So the final answer is 153288, means 1,53,288.
With the same pattern, you can do question number 2, 3, and 4 in your CW copy and 5, 6, 7, 8 in your homework copy.
Question number B is divide and check your answer. First part is 12,686 divided by 9. So first we divide the number 9. First we take two numbers. 9 ones are 9 minus 3 and 6. 9 fours are 36 minus 0. Then we write 8. And we are not able to divide 8 with 9. So we take out 6 also, and here we put 0. Now 9 nines are 81. Remainder is 5. So here quotient is 1409 and remainder is 5. Now we also check the answer. So what is the division algorithm? That dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So what is the dividend? 12686. Divisor is 9. Quotient is 1409 and remainder is 5. Now we multiply these both numbers. So 1409 multiply by 9, 81. 9 fours are 36. 9 ones are 9 and 3, 12. So 12681 plus 5. 12686 is equal to 12686. Both sides are equal. It means our division is correct. So by this way, we can also check our division in our exam. Now, second part is 4987 divided by 16. So first we divide these numbers. 16 threes are 48 minus 1, 8, 18. 16 ones are 16. Remainder is 2. Then we write 7. Again 16 ones are 16. So remainder is 11. Okay. Now, quotient is 311 and remainder is 11. Now again we write division algorithm for checking. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here dividend is 4987 is equals to 16 into 311 plus 11. So now we multiply 16 with 311. 6, 6, 18. 113. 6794. 4987 is equals to 4976 plus 11. Again, we have both terms are equal. So, are this division also correct?
In question number A, 1, 2, 3, 4 do in CW copy and 5, 6, 7, 8 do in homework copy. Question number B, same 1, 2, 3, 4 do in your CW copy and 5, 6, 7, 8 do in your homework copy. Exercise 2.4, question number 1. Read this question carefully. In this question there are 16 students and school plan for a trip जिसका खर्चा है 12,984 रुपीज़ एंड स्कूल कंट्रीब्यूट करता है ₹5,784. सो सबसे पहले हम 12,984 में से 5,784 को माइनस करेंगे और जो अमाउंट हमें मिलेगा तो ईच स्टूडेंट का स्पेंड मनी निकालने के लिए हम उसको 16 से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो माइनस करने पर हमें मिला 7,200 रुपीज़ विच डिवाइड बाय 16. सो फाइनल आंसर इज 450. इट मीन्स ईच स्टूडेंट कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट 450 रुपीज़ फॉर स्कूल ट्रिप. Second question is, there are 98,800 books in a library. How many shelves are there in the library if 400 books kept in a 4 shelves? So first we understand this condition that 400 books can be kept on 4 shelves. Means 4 shelves में 400 books रखी जाती हैं. तो first we find that 1 shelf में कितनी books होंगी. So we divide 400 by 4. So we get 100. It means 1 shelf के अंदर हम 100 books रख सकते हैं. तो लाइब्रेरी में टोटल बुक्स कितनी है 98,800. इसको हम जब 100 से डिवाइड करेंगे सो आंसर इज 988. मीन्स हमें 988 शेल्फ्स चाहिए बुक्स को अरेंज करने के लिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज मिसेस कलाम अर्न 10,250 रुपीज़ एवरी मंथ. हाउ मच मनी डज शी अर्न इन 2 years? मीन्स हमको जो अमाउंट दिया हुआ है मिसेस कलाम का वो पर मंथ का दिया हुआ है कि पर मंथ वो 10,250 रुपीज़ अर्न करती हैं एंड दे आर आस्किंग फॉर 2 years. सो देयर आर 12 months in 1 year and 24 months in 2 years. So we multiply her salary with 24. So when we multiply 10,250 with 24, we are getting 2,46,000. It means she earned 2,46,000 in 2 years. Question number 4, 5, 6 do in your homework copy. Exercise 2.5, question number 1. What should be added to 6,480 to get 10,583? So we arrange this equation according to the question that what should be added means the number added. So we put the sign of addition to which number 6480 to get means the answer is 10,583. So result is 10,583. Now how we find the number? So the number is, first we write this and when we shift this number to another side it will become negative. So when we subtract 6,480 from 10,583 we will get 4,103. So the number is 4,103. Question number 2 is the sum of two numbers is 16,597. If one number is 9,597, find the other number. So according to the question, first number is 9,597, second number we don't know and the answer is 16,597. So how we find the number? First we write the number and then 16,597. We shift this number this side so it will become negative form. So the number is, we subtract 16,597 and 9597. So the answer is 7000. So the number is 7000. Now question number 4 is the product of two number is 6025 and one number is 25. Find the other number. Now according to the question, first number is 25, multiply with any number and the answer is 6025. So we find the number by divide these numbers, because that side this number is multiply with the number, so when we shift this 25 to this side we divide 25. Okay, now we divide 6025 from 25. 25 twos are 50, 10, then we write this 2, 25 fours are 100. Now remainder is 2, then we write this 5, 25 ones are 25, remainder is 0. It means the number is 241. Question number 6. By what number should 153 be divided to get 9 as a quotient? Now, according to the question, 153 is divided by any number and the quotient is 9. So, we have to find the number. It means divisor. So, we find the number by divide 9 with 153. So 9 ones are 9, 9 sevens are 63, 0. It means the number is 17. Do these questions in your CW copy, and question 3, 5 and 7 are your homework. Before starting the exercise 2.6, I'll explain you about the method of DMAS. Means when we have more than 2 or 3 operations in one sum, we apply this method. It means अगर एक ही सम में ज़्यादा ऑपरेशंस होते हैं प्लस माइनस इंटू डिवीज़न के, तो हम उसमें एक रूल फॉलो करते हैं जिसे DMAS मेथड बोला जाता है. तो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में फर्स्ट वी डू डिवीज़न, देन मल्टीप्लाई, देन एडिशन एंड देन सब्ट्रैक्शन. ये हमें ऑर्डर फॉलो करना होता है. एक्सरसाइज 2.6 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. 8 plus 12 minus 6 into 2. So first we multiply the numbers. 8 plus 12 minus 12. Now we add the number 20 minus 12. The final answer is 8. Second part is 4 into 5 plus 30 divided by 5. So first we divide these numbers. 4 into 5 plus 6. Now we multiply 4 into 5. So 20 plus 6. Final answer is 26. Now third part is 3 plus 40 divided by 10 minus 3. So first we solve division. 3 plus 4 minus 3. Then add 7 minus 3. Final answer is 4. Question number 4 is 14 plus 7 into 2 minus 16 divided by 2. So first we solve this division. 16 divided by 2, answer is 8. Now we multiply. 7 twos are 14 minus 8. 14 and 14, 28 minus 8. Final answer is 20. Do these questions in your CW copy and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in your homework copy. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please subscribe the channel and like my video.